In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix blog in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started, Wix offers a seamless way to build and customize your blog, tailoring it to match your brand and style. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. This is your command center, where you can access all the key features needed to manage your website. Once you're in the Wix editor, look for the Add menu. This is your gateway to customizing your site. Alternatively, you might find the blog option directly on your dashboard, ready for you to add it seamlessly to your site. When you're ready, go ahead and click Add Blog to install the app. This action automatically incorporates both a blog page and a single post page into your site. It's like getting all the essential elements bundled together, ready for you to personalize. Now, to truly make your blog your own, you'll want to manage your blog through your blog manager. You can easily access this either from your site's dashboard or directly from the editor. The Blog Manager is where you can create and edit posts, keeping all your content organized and accessible. Organizing your posts with categories and tags is a fantastic way to enhance user experience. It helps your readers easily find content related to their interests. Within the Blog Manager, you can adjust the look and feel of your blog, tweak the layout, display settings, and visual elements to ensure your blog reflects your unique style. Incorporate rich media components like images and videos into your posts to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Visual elements can make your posts more attractive and dynamic. When you're ready to create a blog post, remember that adding a title is crucial as it enables autosaving. This nifty feature helps prevent any unintended loss of work. Use the editor to craft your content, format your text, and add any media that complements your narrative. Finally, before you publish your post or save it as a draft, take a moment to configure the settings. This includes details such as the publish date, author name, and an enticing excerpt. You can also refine categories, tags, and even SEO settings, optimizing your post for search engines. Once everything's set, hit publish to share your post with the world, or save it as a draft if you'd like to continue refining it later. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have your Wix blog up and running in no time. Embrace your creativity, share your stories, and connect with your audience effortlessly. Happy blogging!